Number 4, we have absolute value of 1 over 4x minus 10 less than negative 8. And here the absolute value is actually not isolated, right? We have the minus 10 here. And again, in order for you to take out the absolute value and then do this procedure to solve this inequality, you must make sure that you only have an absolute value of something inside on the left hand side. So absolute value has to be isolated on the left first. So I will have to plus 10 here to get rid of these two numbers. And then I will just get absolute value of 1 over 4x, bring down the less than, negative 8 plus 10 is equal to 2. Okay, so that's what we have right now. Absolute value of something inside is less than 2. Now we can go ahead and take out the absolute value, putting 1 over 4 in the middle. No more absolute values, and then make that in between of 2, and the negative number goes on the left, negative 2. So put a negative in front of whatever that is. And now, we should think about how to solve for x. We just have 1 over 4x. So we are going to multiply by 4 over 1, which is just the same as multiply by 4, the reciprocal of this fraction. And if you put down the 4 right here and multiply them, you should see that the 4 and the 4 cancels. So then we just need to put a 4 right here to multiply and also multiply by 4, and that's it. So again, the 4 was positive, so negative 2 times 4 is negative 8. And then since the 4 was positive, you maintain the inequality. In the middle, the x is by itself already. Maintain the inequality, 2 times 4 is positive 8 here. So x is in between of negative 8 and positive 8. Do a real quick graph. 0 is here. Let me say this is negative 8. Let me say this is 8. And it's a less than situation. So you can use an open circle and then graph the middle. This is just the first way. Or you can also use parentheses. 0 here, negative 8 here, positive 8 here. Use parentheses here, graph the middle. Okay? Interval notation. So look at the second graph. That's it. Or if you look at the first graph, that's okay too. Put down the left endpoint, which is negative 8, and then put down the right endpoint, which is positive 8. But then we don't want to include these two numbers, so we'll use parentheses, which is exactly the same as the second graph. That's it.